Hi, this is Rehan here, and today I'll be showing you how you can get the CloudSponge contact picker for Shopify using Conjured Referrals. The very first thing we will do is sign into the CloudSponge dashboard to find instructions and the HTML script you need to get the CloudSponge contact picker installed on your Shopify website. Once it's activated successfully, you should be able to see an add from address book button or an address book icon added to your email input form fields. The script required to achieve this can be found here. I'm going to simply copy it for now and we will come back to it later again. It's also worth noting that my personal CloudSponge license key is part of this HTML script, so make sure you're using the right one. Once you have copied the HTML script, head over to the pages section of your online store in Shopify to edit the page that currently has the Conjured Referrals UI installed. For me, this is my Refer a Friend page, so let's quickly look at that and see what it's like right now. You have all the sharing options. I'm going to go with sending via email. As you can notice, this is missing the add from address book option or the address book icon that could make the sharing process extremely easy and instead requires the customer to input a list of emails separated by a comma. This, as you can see, is a lot of work, resulting in customers not sending in enough referrals or abandoning the process midway. Even when you have highly motivated customers, this could still result in a referral failure due to errors, typos, or misremembering information. Your UI will still simply accept it and confirm sending out the emails anyway. Okay, so now let's switch that up and show you how this works with a contact picker. I'm going into the page details now to edit the HTML code, which can be found by clicking this button on the top right edge. And here I'm going to have to paste the HTML script we got off earlier from the documentation page of the CloudSponge website. So copy that, go into the page HTML script editor, paste it right after the Conjured Referral script on your page, and you're done. Save. Now, when we view the page, the address book button or icon should have shown up. Here's the page, here's the send via email option, and that's the address book button right there, making this a successful installation. When you click on that, and it gives you an exhaustive menu of email address providers to choose from. I'm going to try authenticate using my Yahoo as an example for this demo. And there you go. All your contacts are now available for you to select. So let's make a few selections. And it's done. As simple as that. All your contacts are imported. They're here, they're verified and ready to go. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always available to help. You can find the details of this in the description. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.